Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set custom alarm sound on iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. So you need to first install these apps. Now I'm provide full guide, so don't skip my video. So let's get start. You can easily install these apps from your app store and launch this. Click on to plus option at the top right corner to add, press on to done and click on OK. Click on this icon to add music sound from your phone gallery. So click on file to select any sound, to long press and add from here, and you just record this tone. Okay, stop, click on to my song. Okay, add to rename first like 16 Pro, press on to done. Okay, long press to share to ringtone, continue, export. Okay, press on OK and go out these apps or select clock to alarm and click on to sound, and now successfully showing here to custom ringtone. Just select and that's it. And you can easily use this custom sound your ringtone, phone ringtone, message tone and everything.